Hello dear student, I welcome you all in highway engineering subject and the subject code is 1615504. Today we are going to see unit number 5, that is traffic engineering. In that, this is lecture number 5. Myself Daniel Swami, I am lecturer of Civil Department, James Polytechnic College, Aurangabad, Bihar. Let us discuss about the content of the lecture. Today we will study in traffic engineering, we will see road intersection, and the second part of intersection is that grade separation intersection. Let us discuss about these two topics in detail. First of all, we will see road intersection. As we already know, the road intersection is provided for the safety movement of the vehicle. If the vehicle driver is not following the rules and the traffic rules, then it will fall in it can be a collision between the vehicles, or it can be accident in that life can be risked, or it can be punished by police, or he should pay fine, or he can be imprisoned also. So road intersection is nothing but when two or more roads intersect or cross. The user of this road have to necessarily adjust their movement in order to avoid collision. This adjustment could be by way of reducing in speed or in change in the path of their motion. As we know that road intersection is very much important in intersection or cross, and the user should necessarily adjust their movement in order to avoid collision. That means जो होता है, मतलब अगर इंटरसेक्शन उसी को कहते हैं कि मतलब वो एक रास्ता से दूसरा रास्ता को क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, उस समय उसको दो पॉइंट उसके पास है, दो मतलब रास्ता है, चाहे वो अपना गाड़ी का स्पीड को कम करे या वो चाहे वो अपना रास्ता को चेंज करे. अगर ये दोनों अगर पॉइंट अगर वो फॉलो नहीं करता है तो क्या होगा, कोलिशन हो सकता है, एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है, उसमें जान भी जा सकता है, और अगर पुलिस से पकड़ाता है तो वो मतलब फ़ाइन भी उसको भरना पड़ेगा, और वो उसको पनिशमेंट भी मिलेगा, और वो जेल में भी रह सकता है. इसलिए we should adjust the movement in order to avoid collision, and this adjustment could be in the way of reducing the speed, or it can be changing the path of their motion. An intersection is defined as a general area where two or more highway join or cross, within which and included the carriageway and the roadside design features which facilitate orderly traffic movement and in that area. An intersection leg is that the part of any one of the highway radiating from the intersection which is outside of the area and intersect proper, which means that intersection is nothing but it is a join or cross, and when it comes in highway, there should be when one or more two or more highway are joining, there should be an intersection, and if we provide that island, join island or traffic island, that will provide a safe movement. And intersection is nothing but it include the carriageway and the road design features which facilitate in order to traffic movement in that area, and the intersection provides soft and good movement of traffic in that area, so that intersection is provided and for the safety of passenger as well as the safety of vehicles. Next is type of highway intersection. There are two types of highway intersection, that is intersection at grade, what I have taught you earlier in last class, and today we are going to see grade separation intersection. Grade separation intersection, as we know, as grade separation intersection, the road are separated and constructed at different elevation, obstructing the needs for the crossing at the same elevation. Grade separation may be achieved by the construction of an overbridge or underbridge when one or more of the crossing highway are taken at elevation higher than that than the general ground level at which the other are constructed. An overbridge is needed for the one at a higher level which when they are taken at an elevation lower than the general ground level. An underground bridge fulfill this purpose. It means that grade separation is nothing but it is used to achieve the construction of constructing an overbridge or underbridge for facilitating and a smooth movement of traffic. अगर मान लेते हैं कि जिस तरह से लास्ट क्लास में पढ़े थे इंटरसेक्शन एट ग्रेड, उसका मतलब था कि अगर मान लेते हैं कि रोड का है, ये रोड का अगर चौक है तो यहीं से एक लेन निकल जाएगा और इधर क्रॉस हो जाएगा और इधर से एक लेन निकल जाएगा इधर क्रॉस हो जाएगा। एज हम लोग चौक के बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि वो नॉर्मली इंटरसेक्ट आराम से बाईपास कर जाए कोई सा भी डायरेक्शन में। लेकिन ग्रेड सेपरेशन इंटरसेक्शन का बात करें तो उसमें क्या है कि अगर मान लेते हैं कि एक लेन अगर वो क्रॉस हो रहा है, ठीक है, तो हमको ये रोड से ना मिल के अगर हम इसके ऊपर अगर हमको ये रोड को क्रॉस करना है और ट्रैफिक को मूव करना है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक फ्लाईओवर ब्रिज बना सकते हैं या ओवर ब्रिज बना सकते हैं कि ट्रैफिक मूवमेंट है जो नीचे वाला रोड को अनडिस्टर्ब किए हुए वो ऊपर वाला रोड से मतलब वो एरिया से क्रॉस हो जाए, उसको हम लोग बाईपास कर सकते हैं या साइड वे कर सकते हैं, जो वो मतलब साइड वे को लेके वो मतलब ट्रैफिक में ना फंसे और ट्रैफिक जैम ना रखे, उसमें दे कैन मूव स्मूथली इन ट्रैफिक इन द फ्लो ऑफ व्हीकल्स and if we are following this method there will be no traffic jam in the mid of the market because there will be a side way. From that the traffic can flow smoothly. Transfer from one road to another is facilitated by interchanging consists of ramps. This transfer from one road to another road is facilitated by providing ramps that interchanges the road, and bridge structure for a grade separation may be created using T-beams, arch, rigid and portrait frames or pre-stressed concrete. As we have seen many places, as you are engineer, you would be seen that if you go in metropolitan city or Delhi, Mumbai, you can see that there is a way provided that will be a overbridge, and in that overbridge the vehicles can be move smoothly without colliding with the lower road, and in that they can bypass the lower road without intersecting and or without obstructing the other transportation system. And it is built using T-beam, arches, grids, portrait frames as well as pre-stressed concrete. The vertical cleanness should be at least the vertical clearance, not cleanness, the vertical clearance should be at least 4.3 meters to 5.2 meters, and site condition and aesthetic consideration must be also considered in selecting a bridge structure to maintain the necessary difference in the level. So we should if we are making then it should not affect the aesthetic value, and the site condition what we are selecting, the site condition should be good enough so that the bearing capacity of that soil in that site should be strong enough to withstand the load, and the vertical clearance between the both overbridge as well as the ground level road should be around 4.3 meters to 5.2 meters, and the maintenance of this overbridge should be necessary and in different levels. Next is grade separation are more expensive initially, but they are justified in the following circumstances. Let us see that circumstances. The existing at grade intersection has reached its maximum capacity, which cannot be improved further. As we know that at grade intersection it have been reached maximum, so the capacity which cannot be improved further because we cannot extend, so we should give over bridges for grade separation. The particular location have a very bad record of accident history as an at grade intersection. If the particular location is having bad record of accident history, then if we are providing separate grade separation, then there will be less number of accident, and because the safety movement of the vehicles will be done properly and the flow of traffic will be smooth, then there will be no accident. There is a considerably economic justification for a grade separation in a view of very high traffic volume and the loss caused by delays. The topography of that location involves consideration earthwork and land acquisition for an at grade intersection, and if we are making at grade intersection, we should follow according to the topography and the location involves in the consideration of earthwork, and the facility is a high end type such as expressway or freeway with through which fast traffic. And if we are constructing a high end types such as expressway, in that or freeway, in that the high or fast moving traffic will go, so in that expressway or freeway we should not give any intersection, or we should give a one direction traffic movement, so that there will be no collision and there will be no obstruction between the movement of the traffic. Next one is the type of grade separation intersection. Let us see that there are two types of grade separation intersection, that is grade separation intersection without interchange and grade separation intersection with change. The interchange is a facility for a movement of traffic between two or more roads at a different level in a grade separation joint. Let us discuss about these two topics in detail. First is grade separation joints without intersection. That is, this is a system wherein the traffic at a different level movement separately without a provision of intersection between them, and the separation is achieved by means of over bridges and flyover or underpasses. This first one, grade separation without interchanges. In this, they if the flow of traffic they want to change their intersection, they can change using over bridge or flyover or underpasses. And grade separation junction with interchanges, in this system wherein traffic based on moving separately in a stream at a different level can be interchanged from one stream to another stream via an interchange facility, a proper design of a system facilitating an orderly, a safe movement of traffic. This is high-end facility for a larger volume of traffic on two or more roads involved with a heavy proportion of uh, turning traffic, which means that here in grade separation junction with intersection, it means that there will be intersection provided and only the high moving vehicles can go in this, whereas in grade separation junction without intersection, in that it can go the traffic can flow using over flyover bridge or over bridge or underpass without getting obstacle, but here they have to reduce their motion, and they can change the intersection with intersection. So this named kept as grade separation junction with interchange, which means that they can interchange with their junction when they are coming to junction, they can reduce their speed and accelerate in the way in what they want to flow. Next one is interchange can be considered on the basis of number of legs served by intersection and classification of 3 legs, 4 legs and multiple legs intersection with the following subdivision. Let us see the 3 leg intersection, 4 leg 3 leg interchange, 4 leg interchange and multi leg interchange. 3 leg interchange, that is T type, Y type and rotatory type. As I have shown you the image earlier, the T type will be this form, Y type will be a Y type and rotatory will be like this. Okay, these are the three leg interchange. Okay, next one is 4 leg interchange. This is diamond type, partial cleve type, cleve leaf, rotatory, directional interchange. These are the 5 types of 4 leg interchange. And multi-leg interchange is rotatory interchange. These are the separation in interchange which is considered on the basis of leg and legs, and this is classified and this is subdivided according to the interchanges. First is 3 leg interchange. As you can see in image, these are the 3 leg interchange. As you can see here is trumpet interchange and Y interchange. In this they can change in T form, and here they can change in Y form. The movement of vehicle can be like this and it can be like this. This shows it is Y form. Okay, you can understand. Next one is 4 leg interchange. That means we can change in 4 leg, that is diamond interchange. You can see here is diamond placed. As you can see, this 4 leg interchange is diamond shape. As you can see, here is the diamond shape is formed, and the intersection can be in the form of this way or in this way or in this way or in this way, and this is the way which they can go, and it can flow through this way or it can flow through this way and mingle in this, or they can flow in this way and mingle here. They can flow straightly here and they can mingle from here to here, and they can mingle from here to here. This is diamond form intersection, as you can understand by seeing the figure. Let me erase. You can clearly understand by seeing the figure, and the 4 leg intersection is very important and it is the simplest, so it is named as diamond intersection. And major and minor roads in urban area is diamond interchange change, and this diamond interchange is popular in urban areas. Next is half cleve leaf interchange. As you can see, as called as a partial cleve leaf interchange, this type is suitable when the major road crosses a minor one with not more than 2 lanes. As you can see in half cleve, here they can interchange here, or they can come in this form and they can go straightly, as well as they can take a rotation in this and they can go here and they can take interchange here. So this is partial cleve leaf for the interchange, and it is also very important when major road will change into or cross with a minor one, and so this half cleve leaf interchange is given. Next one is cleve leaf interchange. As you can see in this image, this is the cleve leaf interchange. Is a 4 leg interchange which is fulfilling all the requirements of turning traffic with a simple traffic mononucleus. This is perhaps the best solution when two highways with a heavy traffic volume and a high speed intersect each other. As you can see here, this is cleve leaf. Here you can see they can if the high moving vehicles, if they want to here you can see in this direction directly, if they want to go they can go straightly, but if they want to go in other direction they can go straightly and turn from here, and they can go in this way if they want to go in this way. So, and if they want to go from this way, so they can go here and take a direction and go in this way. Same like that, if they want to come from here, so they have to so they can come straightly from here, and they can come here and they can go this side like that. Or if they want to directly interchange, they do not, suppose this is the mid of the city, if they do not come they do not want to come in the mid of the city, so they can take the bypass that shows the diamond shape, and they can take all the bypass and go, and that bypass will be connected in main lane. So this plan or cliff leaf interchange, it is very important, and this is suitable for every traffic which is high movement or slow movement. And this traffic plan shows very safety for the passenger which are moving on this lane. And if we are providing cleave leaf interchange, there will be no collision, or a number of accident rate will be less in this. Summary of this lecture is all about road intersection. An intersection leg is a type part of any one of the highway radiating from an intersection which is outsider of an area of an intersection proper, which means that the part of any one of the highway radiating from an intersection which is the outer side of an area of intersection proper. That means that if suppose this is the chalk, they can directly intersect in this lane, or they can intersect according to the diamond form what I have shown in the cliff leaf form. So in these ways they can move safely, and they can provide safety to transportation, as well as they provide safety to the passenger which is moving according to the traffic volume. I have referred from online source SK Kannan book, Ritu publication book. Thank you for listening this lecture. If you have any doubt, you can clarify with me by directly contacting me, or putting the message in my WhatsApp. Thank you for listening.